Meron ba tayong seminar sa ating mga guro, ASEC, no? Para i-manage ang kanilang yung anger management, no? Yung po kanilang inis, ang kanilang stress. At wag
Oo.
naman ibaling sa
Meron
mga
tayong
bata dahil meron po tayo. Bawal ho itong corporal punishment actually. Kahit nasigawan mo yung bata, bawal ho yan eh.
Yeah,
Opo.
right. It is prohibited under
Yes,
existing
sir.
policies and laws
Opo.
ang ating corporal punishment
Mm.
or physical abuse or physical na
Verbal.
pag-punish sa mga bata.
Mm.
Verbal abuse
Yes.
na kasama na yan. That is why meron tayong tinatawag na, meron na kasi tayong na-conduct nationwide, like two administrations started 2 administrations ago, yung tinatawag nating positive discipline in the classroom. So yung ina-advocate talaga ng department, yung positive discipline, dahil hindi naman tayo pwedeng manugaw, manakit ng ating mga learners, and we are more on reformatory discipline rather than punitive in nature. So we are still advocating that, and we during our LAC sessions sa mga teachers, they are always reminded of such a management.